Road surveyors play a crucial role in the development and maintenance of road infrastructure. In Gurgaon, a fast-growing city in India, road surveyors are in high demand, especially in areas like Sector 29. With the rapid expansion of the city and the increasing volume of traffic, the need for efficient road surveyors has become more important than ever. These professionals are responsible for conducting surveys to determine the condition of existing roads, identify areas that require repair or improvement, and plan for the construction of new roads. They use advanced techniques and equipment to collect data on road conditions, such as pavement quality, traffic flow, and road signs. This information is then analyzed and used to make informed decisions regarding road design and maintenance. Scon Design is a well-known company in Gurgaon that specializes in road surveying and design services. They have a team of experienced and skilled road surveyors who are trained to handle various aspects of road infrastructure development. Their expertise lies in conducting detailed surveys of existing roads in Sector 29 and providing recommendations for improvement. Scon Design also offers design services for new road projects, ensuring that they are planned and executed efficiently. When it comes to road surveying in Gurgaon, Sector 29 requires special attention due to its high traffic volume and commercial importance. The road surveyors working in this area need to be well-versed with the specific challenges associated with this location. They need to consider factors such as pedestrian safety, parking availability, and access to commercial establishments while conducting surveys and designing road improvements. They work closely with local authorities and stakeholders to ensure that their surveys and designs align with the overall development plans for the area. In the construction and upkeep of the road system, road surveyors are essential. Road surveyors are in great demand, particularly in neighborhoods like Sector 29, in Gurgaon, a city in India that is rapidly expanding. The demand for effective road surveyors has increased significantly as a result of the city's quick growth and rising traffic volume. These experts are in charge of carrying out surveys to assess the state of current roads, pinpoint trouble spots, and plan for the building of new roads. They gather information on the state of the roads, including the quality of the pavement, the flow of traffic, and the presence of road signs, using cutting-edge methods and tools. Making informed judgments on the construction and upkeep of roads requires analysis of the available data. In Gurgaon, Scon Design is a well-known business that offers road surveying and design services. They have a group of qualified road surveyors that have years of experience and are proficient in handling many facets of developing road infrastructure. They specialize in carrying out in-depth analyses of Sector 29's current roads and making proposals for enhancements. In order to ensure that new road projects are effectively planned and carried out, Scon Design also provides design services for those projects. Due to its significant commercial value